For this project, the scratch material that we need to use is charcoal. So I choose the charcoal from the place where we cook lemang for during Hari Raya. So here I will show you the process where I take the scratch charcoal. Yeah, just like this. Okay, now we'll get the material that we need. First thing first, you must cut the bottom of the bottle. Okay, you must cut until it become like this. For the charcoal, we must clean it before we use it. For the charcoal, we need to stamp it like this until it become a charcoal powder. Stamp it until it become powder like this. Okay, yeah, I know we need a bit of patience to stamp it until it become powder like this. Okay, before we put all the material inside this bottle, we must first make a hole for at this bottle. So I use scissors to make a hole. After we finish make a hole at this bottle, we finally can start to put the material. So firstly, I will put the tissue for the first layer. The tissue will act like a final filter for this water filter. Okay, next we will put the charcoal powder that we stamped earlier. So put like this. Okay, until it become like this. Next we will put the sand. Oh, it's a little bit messy here. I'm so sorry. Okay. Next we will put this bigger big size of gravel. So we just use a little bit because we want the space for the water. Okay, I think a little bit more. Okay, I think yeah, this is enough. Okay, next after we finish put all the material into this bottle, we must tie up this rope into this hole to hang it wherever we want to use it. Next, I will show you how to use this water filter. So come closer. I will hang it to this gate like this. Yeah, I know it's a big struggle to hang this up. Okay, so to test whether this water filter works or not, we will use this water which is not so clean as you can see, and we will put it in this water filter just like this. Yeah, okay. Next we will open this bottle cap and we will wait the final result. After a few minutes, this is the final result. As you can see, the water is more clean than the earlier.